Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Effortless Elegance. I'm Christy Cruz and I'm an Afro-Latina beauty enthusiast. And today we are focusing on this pink and green look that we did today. It is very glam, it's very fun and flirty. And if you like this look, please stay tuned. We are going to learn it in just a few minutes. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We're going to get into it now. I started today by moisturizing my skin. And today we're going to go in with the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Illuminate primer for our skin. This one's actually really moisturizing too. It doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. It actually feels pretty tacky. And we are going to go right into it with this bold color look. We're using the Profusions Spectrum palette today for this look. You can never be afraid of using color. We're going to prime our lids with our Tart Concealer in Light Medium Sand. We prime our lid so that our makeup stays on and it doesn't move and shift throughout the day. Since this is going to be a very pinky look on our eye, I'm going to use this really light blush in Make Me Blush Kit. I'm going to use this light pink down here as one of my transition shades. It's more pinkier than a nude, but this is going to be a very pink look, so this light pink would work perfect for this. We're just going to go in windshield wiper motions all over the lid. Make sure when you do eye makeup that you use a very gentle hand when applying. Don't pat it. Just very gently move your brush over your eyelid or your crease, wherever you're working. With that same brush that I just used, and it was a fluffy Morphe brush. I'm using a Morphe kit. It came into the I Obsessed. It's 12-piece kit. It doesn't have any numbers on them, so I will just let you know what type of brush it is that I'm using. We're going to jump into this color right here, Rave. It is a bright pink color. And we are going to put that on the crease. So the next color we're going to go in on the palette is this color. It's called Totally. It is a deeper pinky color. And we are going to use this on the crease and the outer V to give our eye a little bit of dimension. And intensify this look just a little more on the outer edge and this crease. So you're going to be moving your brush in a C motion from the outer edge here into your crease. You guys see how this color is building in comparison to my other eye? It is very pigmented. We're just going to go back into the Make Me Blush palette and we are going to pick up this pink here. It's a very candy, light pink. So we are going to hit the corners with this one. We're going to go in with a clean brush and we're going to buff out all the edges. We're just going to blend everything together so it looks nice and smooth and we don't have any harsh edges. We want to look nice and soft. We're going to move on to the lower lash line. And we are going to go in the corner with this green color here. It's called Lucky. And since we're going down to our lower eyelash, we're going to use a smaller, thinner brush. This is the Detailed Crease Brush by Morphe. And we are going to start on the inner corner here. Yes, I'm living for this pink and green right now. This is beautiful. And it looks like we had a little bit of fallout on this green. I'm just going to use a big fluffy clean brush and just brush any excess away. Yes. So we're going to go in with liner. We're going to do a subtle wing. Nothing too crazy today because we already have a lot of color going on. And this liner has very rich, dark color. It is very black. And over this black, we're going to tie together the pink and the green with this Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous liquid liner. And this color is in Liquid Money. Now this liner has a little bit of shimmer in it. So we are going to pop that on right over the black liner. And it's so cute. It comes with this pink and green packaging. So we put the black liner down underneath that green liner so that the green would pop. And now we are going to put on lashes. The lashes we're going to put on today are our Lashoholic Luxury Lashes. Packaging is so pretty. And these are called They're Real, I Swear. We are going to put these on. And I'll be right back. And lashes are on. They're very wispy. They're very piecey where you can see the makeup on your eye that you've done. They're very long and glam. So I'm liking it for this look. Next, we're going to go into our concealer for our face. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is one of my favorite drugstore concealers. It is very affordable and it gives me the best coverage. We're going to use our Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And put some on the back of my hand. Now, as we approach our under eye where we already did our green underneath, just be very careful that we don't reach all the way up to that point. Did I say concealer? Foundation. Foundation. This is our foundation. What I like about this foundation is that it dries matte. So those of you for oily skin, this would be something you would like to use. And for concealer, we're going to use this Tart in Light Medium Sand. Under my eye. See, I kept it a little further away from my lower lash line so I can blend that out. Down the nose, our forehead. All the high points of our face that we want just a little more brightening. I'll do the side of my mouth. And then we are going to blend this out. Just a tip on your foundation or on your concealer. If you apply it and you let it sit for a minute, it'll apply a bit more full coverage. Now we're going to contour our face, and what we're going to use is our Anastasia Beverly Hills in Cappuccino. This is a powder bronzer. And we are going to use an angled brush by Eco Tools. This will help how we apply our contour. And you always want to start at the apples of your cheeks and come down slightly. Want to do our forehead. We're going to want to do our jawline. And we're going to want this to go down our nose. I usually bring it up slightly into my brow to kind of tie my face together. And when we blend our contour, we're going to want to blend in an upward motion. We're going to blend this right down the sides of our nose and up to our brow. And what we're using today to set our under eye is the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And this one is in Banana. And we are just going to use that to set our under eye. Set that right under our eyes, my nose. So next we are going to go into our blush. And this is by Pretty Vulgar. It's called Make Them Blush in Tickled Pink. The packaging is very pretty. It's very cute and luxe. It looks like a picture window. And we are just going to get a fluffy brush. We're going to pop it right in. It's very pinky, perfect for this look. Dust it off. We are just going to brush it on the apples of our cheeks. Keep this look very pinky. We'll give our face a bit of color. Next, we're going to go in to our highlight palette when we did our eyes. And we are going to go in to this, into the square. It has about 3 different shades that are a little shimmery. It's like gold and a champagne and like more of a pale, almost white color. We're just going to dip our brush into all of these. I just don't want it to be too intense. So we just want enough there so that when the light catches our face. Hi, what's your name? So we want to put it on the tip of our nose and up the bridge. I'm also going to put this right on my brow bone here, so we can give our eye a little bit of pop there. We're going to blend that in. We are going to blend my pink and that highlight in together. That's pretty. I'm also going to pop this right into the corner of both eyes so it gives my eye a little bit of light. There's not too much shimmer in this eye look, so this will give it that pop that it needs. Put it right in the inner V. And so for our lips, lip liner, and this one is in nude pink. It says nude pink, but I find it to be just a little brighter of a pink than a nude. And we're gonna line our whole lips with this. Now I put these marks on my lips here. When I did my Cupid's bow, I crossed it. I put these 3 dashes there because in those areas, your lips are going to look more intense, and it's also going to give it the appearance that it is plump and it has more volume to it. Kind of like contouring your lips, right? And for our lips, I have this Anastasia palette. Can we just take a second to just appreciate how beautiful this packaging is? Who doesn't love pink glitter? So in this, we have 10 lip colors. I'm going to put this Cali Sunset right over this Punch Pink because it has some shimmer in it. This is perfect because there wasn't too much shimmer in the eyes. So this shimmery pink lip gives this look good balance. All right, I'm going to pull this hair together and I'll be right back with the final look. How glam is this final pink and green look? I love this. You can go out with your girls with this look. You can enjoy a day out. You can even do it as an everyday look. This pink and green, I'm living for this color. Today, I'm going to be fun and flirty and just enjoy myself in this pink and green, right? I am living for these lips and for these eyes. Tell me what you think in the comments. And please like, share, and subscribe. You're pretty inside and out. Bye.